here's meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
Well, if you are outside today, you know how uncomfortable it felt. It definitely felt steamy and sticky, whatever you want to call it, with that high humidity and very warm temperatures. 91 degrees officially at the Wilmington International Airport, a little bit above average. And we started out this morning at 76 degrees, very, very warm, well above average, and didn't pick up any rainfall. Some areas did, as we did see some scattered showers develop this afternoon, but most areas stayed dry. 80 degrees currently at the airport. Look at that dew point at 76 degrees, so very humid at that southwesterly wind at 5 miles per hour, and it feels like 85 degrees as you step out the door. Temperatures across the area are in this middle 70s to around 80 degrees, 76 degrees for Lumberton, 77 down in Whiteville, Southport at 78, and in Jacksonville and Kenansville are cooler spots in the lower 70s. So Storm Track 3 radar and satellite, pretty quiet scene right now, especially after those showers that did develop in a few storms. Those have now dissipated, leaving us with just a lot of cloud cover through the overnight hours, and that's going to hold temperatures in the middle to upper 70s for the rest of the night. Setting up the weather headlines, a cold front will cross the area tomorrow, so expect to keep the clouds around for our Friday and a better chance to see some storms in the afternoon. But by the weekend, things are looking really nice both Saturday and Sunday. Going to see a lot of sunshine and less humidity. Good news there. We'll see our dew points go from the middle 70s back down to the middle 60s. It'll be a significant difference between today and through the weekend. So Pinpoint Futurecast will start us out at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. A lot of clouds around, temperatures in the middle 70s. They'll warm up to around 90 degrees tomorrow, but then we'll see those showers and storms developing in the afternoon as that cold front really starts to cross the area during peak daytime heating. So that's what's also going to aid to those showers and storms. Could produce some heavy downpours with that, some frequent lightning. So as you're making your way home from work tomorrow, most likely it'll be a wet commute, and this front will sag to the south of us by Saturday. A lot more drier air working in there, just maybe an isolated shower or storm, but chances for Saturday and Sunday to see any storms will be very low. You can see that on our weekend outlook. 87 degrees Saturday and Sunday, so a little bit cooler temperatures, but right where we should be for this time of year. And we're going to have temperatures in the upper 60s to around 70 degrees to wake up, and with lower humidity, that's going to feel very comfortable, at least much more comfortable than what we're feeling outside right now. So as we take a look at the tropics, we have two more area of interest on top of Hurricane Danny. One of our area of interest is this area of low pressure to the southwest of Bermuda, and it does have a 60% chance of development over the next 5 days, so something to keep a close eye on, as well as a tropical wave just west of the African coast, and that has a 30% chance of development over the next 5 days. So here's Hurricane Danny spinning out in the middle of the Atlantic. It was upgraded from a tropical storm to a hurricane at 11 o'clock this afternoon, and you can see the official numbers as of 11 o'clock, about 1,000 miles east of the Windward Islands, 80-mile-per-hour sustained winds, and moving very slowly west-northwest at 10 miles per hour. It looks like it's going to be battling some wind shear as well as some dry air, and that looks like it's going to be weakening the system down to maybe a tropical storm by Saturday, and continuing as it makes closer to land, those Windward Islands, and then eventually it looks like it's going to be near Puerto Rico by the early part of next week. So what impacts is it going to have on southeastern North Carolina? Very unclear at this time. Still several days out until we'll have any idea if it's going to impact anywhere in North America. So lows tonight will dip down into the middle to upper 70s, mostly cloudy skies. Could possibly see some patchy fog as you start off our Friday morning, and temperatures will climb up near 90 degrees, partly sunny skies, and some storms developing in the afternoon, mainly around 2 and 3 o'clock during the peak daytime heating. So if you want to head out to the beach, go out for a nice walk or a jog. It should be okay for that. Just know it's going to be pretty warm and pretty sticky as well in the afternoon. You'll have to dodge those storms. But Saturday, Sunday, look to both be very nice days, especially as kids are going back to school on Monday. They're getting a nice treat this weekend.
Yeah, if we could only fast forward one day, not to skip Friday, right? But you know, Saturday and Sunday's looking good.
That's what the motivation through the day tomorrow is going to be.
Thank you, Helen. How about this?